Hey guys! Have you ever wondered how to make a whopping $10,000 in just 1 month using ClickBank? Well, today I'm going to spill all the secrets on how I achieved this incredible milestone, so stick around. Welcome back to the channel, where I share my journey and tips on making money online. In this video, I'll be diving into my success story with ClickBank and how you can replicate the same results for yourself. Get ready to be inspired. Let's face it, making money online can be a real challenge. From finding the right products to driving traffic and actually making sales, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information out there. But fear not, because ClickBank offers a solution to all these common hurdles. So, how did I manage to rake in $10,000 with ClickBank in just 1 month? It all comes down to my strategies for selecting profitable products, driving targeted traffic to my offers, and optimizing conversions to maximize my earnings. I'll be sharing all these tips and more in this video, so stay tuned. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the key insight that led to my $10,000 success in 1 month, it was all about finding that perfect balance between high-converting products, laser-targeted traffic sources, and compelling sales funnels. Once I cracked this code, the results started pouring in. In summary, making $10,000 in 1 month with ClickBank is not just a dream. It's an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the work and follow the right strategies. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, the potential for success with ClickBank is truly limitless. Before you go, make sure to check out my other videos on making money online for more valuable tips and insights. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more epic content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.